How to get a blue tick on small Instagram account without money. So if you want to get a blue tick on small Instagram account without money, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. You only need to have two things. The very first thing to get the blue tick on Instagram is you must have at least one follower, which is so easy. You can even follow your own account from another one, or you can ask your friend to follow you. So you need to have at least one or more followers and you will have the blue tick. Go for the profile which is on the bottom right and see if you have those followers or not. So what you need to do is the first step you need to do is check your internet connection and then open up your Play Store. Go for the search and search for Instagram. Once you've searched for the Instagram, if you have an update option under your Instagram on your Play Store or your App Store, you need to simply go and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go back and open up your Instagram. And here you need to search for the persons who have the blue tick. So for example, so here this person has the blue tick, right? Go for the upper right which has that three dots icon, and then you can tap on copy profile URL and copy the URL. And after copying the URL, you have to go back and go to your profile which is on the bottom right again, and go for the three bar which is on the upper right, and here you will have settings and privacy and all of these options, right? So tap on settings and privacy, and here you need to go for creator tools and controls. So if you have creator tools and controls, tap on that, or if you have a business account, then you will have business tools and controls. Tap on that, and from this list you have to scroll down, and at the end you will have a last option which will be request verification, right? So you need to tap on the request verification, and under the request verification, now this is the thing from which you can get the blue tick. So to get the blue tick or to get the Meta verified, what you need to do is first you need to apply for the Instagram verification. So the first step is you need to confirm your authenticity, and the second step is you need to confirm your notability, and then you need to enter the links which are simply optional, and then tap on submit. So on the first step you need to enter your username and then your full name. Tap on the full name and then enter your full name and your document type. So you need to enter your driver's license, passport, national identity card, tax filing, recent utility bill, or articles of incorporation. You can simply choose any one of these options and you can simply enter that. So you need to add a file of that document, and once you've added the file, your first step will be done. And on the next step, you need to confirm your notability. So you need to show that the public figure, celebrity, or brand your account represents is in the public interest. So take the category, choose a category, and then choose a country and region. And then the audience, you need to describe the people who follow your account, include who they are, what they're interested in, and why they follow you. So you can simply do that, and then you can go for the links option, and here you need to add some articles, social media accounts, and other links that show your account is in the public interest. So paid or promotional content won't be considered, right? So enter the links with the URL and then tap on submit, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you've submitted, you may get a message from the Instagram within 24 hours or within 1 or 2 days, and you will get the blue tick once you verified. So that's how you can get the blue tick on Instagram account without money. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.